তাহমিনা আক্তার, অ্যাসিস্ট্যান্ট টিচার, নবীনগর গভর্নমেন্ট হাই স্কুল। Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, how are you? I think you all are doing great by the grace of Almighty Allah. We have been affected by the pandemic COVID-19. This is why all the educational institutions have been closed for an uncertain period. So, we are conducting online classes. Dear students, are the words written here clear to you? Certainly they aren't. What do you need to clarify the words so that we can understand them clearly? Your answer must be punctuation, isn't it? Dear students, punctuation is the art or act of putting in points, stops, or marks in writing. Without punctuation, a word, a term, a speech, or a sentence may remain obscure to us. If we use punctuation and capitalization in the above sentence, what will happen? How are you? She asked me. I'm fine. Thank you, said I. Now the texts are correct and completely clear to understand. At this point, it is obvious that the role of punctuation and capitalization is very important for a certain language. So now, dear students, our today's topic is punctuation and capitalization. Punctuation and capitalization. Dear students, tell me please, do you know what punctuation is? Okay, dear students, listen attentively to what I say. Punctuation is a grammatical term which is used in writing a word or a sentence to make it clear to the readers or listeners. বিরামচিহ্ন হচ্ছে একটি ব্যাকরণগত বিষয় যা কোনো পাঠকদের বা শ্রোতাদের নিকট কোনো শব্দ বা বাক্যকে স্পষ্ট করতে লেখায় ব্যবহৃত হয়। According to Wren and Martin, punctuation, derived from the Latin punctuam, a point, means the writer's use of putting in points or stops in writing. ল্যাটিন পাঞ্চুয়াম থেকে উৎপন্ন পাঞ্চুয়েশন কথাটির অর্থ হলো কোনো কিছু লেখার সময় যতিচিহ্ন বা বিরাম চিহ্নের ব্যবহার। Dear students, the following punctuation marks are generally used in writing. Name of punctuation, marks of punctuation. full stop, another name period, full stop, comma, semicolon, colon, questions mark, oblique note of interrogation, exclamation mark, oblique note of exclamation, quotation marks, oblique inverted commas, apostrophe, dash, hyphen, brackets, first bracket, second bracket, third bracket. Dear students, that's for all today. See you again in the next class. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.